So you have a soft top and you're wondering what to do with it when you're not using it. Say you have a CJ5 or CJ7 or an older Jeep where they don't fold down quite as easy and tuck out of the way like the new ones do. So it actually is easier in the summer to take the top right off the Jeep completely and just leave the bows on. What you have then is this top that just kind of lays around and takes up space, and I know they sell top organizer kits and all sorts of different things, but I found a way to store my Bestop Super Top for less than $12. And all you're going to need is some drywall screws and 4 2-inch spring clamps that I got at my local hardware store or wherever you want to go. But here's how I did it. I took 4 spring clamps, just like these right here, and I pulled one of the rubber sides off, drilled a little hole right in here, just enough for the drywall screw to fit through, and screwed them to the wall. You're going to need a nice flat area, about 6 to 7 feet wide and 7 feet tall. I just screwed them right to the wall, you can see there. And like big clothespins, I just clipped it just like that. I have the door sitting right below, the bows sit right there beneath everything, and the top and windows right up there out of the way. No more laying all over the floor or over your shop, taking up space, and good to go until next winter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.